Hello, teacher and classmates. I am Catherine Avila. I have studied system engineering since 2019. I have lived in Bogota since I was a child. I have been in the beautiful city for 31 years. I have enjoyed and the landscapes, shopping malls and music in the city. I am unique with Fran Munoz. I have been married for 4 years, but I have had a relationship since 2009. I am chemistry teacher and I have been working in a school in the south of the city for 3 years. I like rock too much. I have seen good and bad rock concerts. The best concert was Aerosmith. I have had good experiences traveling. I have traveled to Machu Picchu in Peru, Cancun in Mexico, and some cities in Ecuador. These three places have impacted me positively. Thank you.